woke up to the sound of the pouring rain. Gray skies outside could feel the heaviness of the pain. But I remembered your smile, so bright and so warm. Your laughter echoes a beacon that weathered the storm. In the puddles, I see the reflection of your face. A gentle reminder that you're here, filling up the space. With every drop that falls, my heart feels less heavy. Because my love, you're the anchor that keeps me steady. Even on a rainy day, the sun shines in my heart. It's like a summer breeze that never will depart. Through the clouds and the thunder, I still feel you near. Even on a rainy day, you're always here. The world outside might be a monochrome sea, but inside my soul it's vibrant as can be. Your essence is a flame that the rain can't tame. A fire that burns, calling out your name. The skies may open up and the winds may roar, but nothing can erase the love we have in store. With every step I take, I feel your hand in mine. In the downpour of life, your love is the sunshine. When the rain taps at my window, I don't feel alone. Locked in the warmth of a love that's flown. Like the rainbow after the storm, so bright and so clear. Your love paints the sky when you're not even near. Even on a rainy day, the sun shines in my heart. A promise of joy right from the start. Even when the clouds hide the sun's bright face, your love is my light, my saving grace. So let the rain fall and wash away the fears. The sunshine in my heart, my love is always near. Even when the clouds hide the sun's bright face, your love is my light, my saving grace.